Hello, this is Kelsey Conlon,
And this is Justin Bolobanek.
and we are going to show you today how to create a job review that is using the tool called Kahoot that creates games for our students to play that are more interactive.
So we're going to go ahead and Google Kahoot, click on the website, and we are going to obviously go ahead and log ourselves in. And then we are going to go ahead and we're going to create. We're going to create a Kahoot. We're going to close this because this is an AI generated helper, and we're going to go with the basic way.
So you can choose a different background and theme that's on the side, on the right side up at the top of the screen, if you want.
We can do all types of themes. Since we're in the fall, we can do all.
All right, so because Justin and I teach job skills classes, we are going to come up with a 5-question Kahoot game to play with our students and also show you how it would look like on their end when they're playing it. Let's show them how we click the right answer.
Okay, so they're going to see on their end of the screen, they're going to see the blue icon in which they're going to see the diamond, and they're going to click the diamond for the correct answer. And what's cool about Kahoot now is it actually integrates using Getty Images AI tools that assist to the question. So when Kelsey and I entered, what should you wear on a job interview, it prompted these AI images based on job interview. So we're going to add this image to enhance the functionality of our quiz, and now it gives not only the students a test that they a test question which they originally used for knowledge, but they will be able to have a visual to go ahead and apply their visual knowledge to retain the answer to the question. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to generate another over here in the left hand, and we're going to click Add. It's going to be a test quiz question in the same format, and we're going to begin question 2. We're going to go ahead and prompt obviously the correct answer here, which will be ask politely for the question to be repeated. It's going to be on the blue diamond.
All right, now that we created our 2-question review, we are now going to hit save in the upper right-hand corner. This will save our Kahoot and allow our students to play along with us. So we're going to host live.
And now at this point, it's going to generate, it's going to first show the title of the Kahoot. And by trial and error, we also realized that the game automatically prompts sound. So we're going to mute the sound. This way you can hear our voices. So that is something we learned through trial and error. They are going to start the Kahoot, and it's going to generate a game pin. The students are going to see a game pin, and they are going to enter this pin and join via their laptops. If you're outside of the educational setting where you can use a cell phone, you can even scan this QR code with your phone, and it'll bring you right to the web-based Kahoot site for you to play. And we're going to give a few more seconds for our students.
All right, now that our students have joined us, we're going to hit start on that right side. They are now going to be able to see the Kahoot questions on their laptops, and also we have it displayed on our Promethean board in the classroom. All right, so our first question is, what should you wear to a job interview? Pajamas, clean and professional attire, swimsuit, superhero costume. All right, all 4 of them got that correct. They all hit the triangle, and we are able to see who gets it right and who gets it wrong by showing the scores up there.
And just to elaborate on the scores, you could see player exponent is at 945 points, and it's simply because who answers the quickest gets the most points. So it really is divided into milliseconds. So we're going to go on to our next question, which says, what should you do if you don't understand a question during a job interview? guess and say nothing, get up and leave, ask politely for the question to be repeated, or talk about something else. As you can see, another one of great examples of our questions being answered by our students, 4 correct, corresponding to the question. So now we know that we are at 100% for that particular test question. And now we're going to go to the result.
Results are going to show the podium, so the leaderboard on who came in 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place.
And exponent came in 1st place. And it usually, there we go, shows the remainder. Now, usually with a larger group, you will see a larger amount of people in this little town square by the beach. So this has been an explanation and presentation on us showing how we use this educational tool in our job skills classrooms here at the high school level. And again, this is Justin Bolovanik and Kelsey Conlin, and we appreciate you tuning in, and we will see you soon.
See you later.